because I have to recommend to our manager and to our accounting. It's about one month for the process.
1 month for the
Yeah.
process.
So I just give you option. I help you, give you directly this money, so you can use maybe for the transport or whatever.
So you want to give me my refund, but only if...
No, I mean I will not process everything from the front office because it's already running. I will give you 350 for the refund.
From your own money.
Yeah, I will not take because it's difficult for me.
I don't understand. So it will be your money.
Yeah, because
So
this
you
is
want to
not,
give me your money,
Yeah, I will give you
not the hotel's money.
Yeah.
Wait. I meant to get a refund from the hotel, but it's
Yeah.
too hard.
Yeah, because the first thing, it's not the hotel mistake.
Yeah. No, I agree. It's a miscommunication.
Yeah, it's a mistake. So 99% it's cannot be refunded.
Okay.
I just help you to give you my money.
So you give me the refund
Yeah.
that I'd get from the
Yeah.
hotel, but
Yeah.
because it's too
Yeah.
hard through there,
Yeah.
and you want me to.
If you agree,
But you know I'm married,
yeah, but
and you want me to give you a blowjob for me to get the refund. Doesn't that seem strange
Yeah.
to you?
sorry, no,
Is
I
it
just
not like pretty unprofessional?
Because this is I cannot process this. One thing is it's not the hotel fault.
I don't think you should really offer that at all, because one, that's unethical, two, it's unprofessional, and three, I've told you I'm married, and that's like,
So
you should, life lesson, man, like, don't go there with married women, that wrecks families, and you should, like,
okay.
shouldn't even
So-
put that offer out there at all.
So depends on you. So
Depends
what's
on
your-
me. I feel like I've made myself quite clear. Like, that's ridiculous. I feel really insulted that you'd even offer that. That's ridiculous. It's really unethical and really unprofessional.
Yeah, I just
I didn't realise that's what you wanted to bring me over here to talk about. I thought you were going to not want to talk about a refund in front of your other clients, but you want to talk about me giving you a
No,
blowjob
no.
for your money.
No.
For the refund I meant to get.
yeah. I just think the refund cannot be. It's difficult.
Yeah, that's fine, but
Yeah.
you don't need to offer that. That's not even an offer. That's just you trying to get some from anyone. And I'm a married woman, not interested, happily
Okay.
married, and
Okay.
it's just a...
Yeah. I just ask if you agree or not.
But you shouldn't be
Yeah,
asking anyone
Okay.
that. Like, all I have within me is holding back from slapping you for such an absurd. It's not even an offer. It's just, even when I told you I'm married and you want to
Yeah.
continue with it. Who's your manager? Because that's not cool. Like, that is honestly ridiculous.
And you want to tell about this?
Of course, this is not how you should treat any of your clients or customers or whatever you want to call them. I'm married and I said
Yeah,
that
yeah,
and you
yeah,
still
yeah, that's
continued.
good. Yeah.
That's ridiculous.
Yeah, that's why I apologize for this. That's why I told you this is out of the...
It's outside of this.
Yeah.
But you're still in working hours, right? So it's kind of not.
Yeah.
Can I please speak to your manager? Because this is...
But please do.
You cannot do that, honestly.
Yeah. Okay, I give you the refund. I will process the refund, but please don't.
I'll take the refund.
Yeah, because I have to reconfirm for him also for
So
the...
you can do the refund.
I'm not sure. Because
Well,
this is not
either way, you
hotel.
can not give me the refund. I don't know that I want it after this, but don't have this conversation with someone else again. It's just not right. It's really not right. Don't ask people for blowjobs for money, especially not your clients who have been
Yeah, that's why this is our
charged too much, like
not
charged
like
an extra night, and,
not-
like
charge too much.
not cool, man. It's kind of weird to
Because-
know how
yeah,
to respond.
because-
To be honest, I've got mixed emotions. I want to slap you. I want to scream at you,
Okay,
and I
will give you
also
the
want to
refund.
tell your manager.
I will give you the refund, but please don't tell anything.
You don't need to give me a refund. I'd rather tell your manager, because this is honestly no. Because I don't want you to. What if a married woman
Yeah,
was
yeah.
having a hard
Yeah,
time,
yes.
and then you offered this, and she was like, "Oh,
I do
okay,"
really
and you would
appreciate
have wrecked the whole family.
And yes.
And
Yes.
you doing this tells me it's not the first time you've done this to someone else
Yeah.
too. So I'm definitely going to need to speak to
I'm
them.
sorry. I will.
I get that you're
give
sorry,
you the-
but I don't want to see this shit continue
Yeah,
because
but please don't.
that wrecks families. What if I was in a really bad space with my husband and I was super vulnerable right now, and then you offered that and I was like, oh, a refund, and I'm lonely or something, and took that up and then ruined a marriage and ruined a family. Not cool.
Okay.
Like
I
it's just
will-
not right to offer.
I will give you the
It's
refund.
not even an offer.
Yeah. I will give you the refund, but please don't.
There's no buts. I don't. If the option is get a refund and don't tell your manager, I'm not taking that. I'm going to tell your manager either way. So you can either give me the refund that's due and have your manager told, or don't give it to me and I don't care.
Yeah, that's
And I'm
why I
still
will-
telling the manager.
I will give you the refund now by my cash.
I
But
don't
please-
need your money, nor do I want it. I just was charged an extra night. That wasn't, and that was miscommunication. So I'm fine with not getting that actually, but this is not right. This is not cool, and I don't want to see this happen to any other customer. So I would like to speak to the manager.
But please don't check. I will. Yeah.
I get
I
what you're
will-
saying, but I've got moral
Yeah.
values and
Yeah, I do
ethics,
appreciate.
and
I really,
this
really,
is far
really
outside
do.
of it, and I don't believe that if I don't report you, that this is not going to happen again, because I truly don't think that you're not going to just stop. Sorry, man. Wrong person to do it to.
Yeah. Just I will.